I was given a pair of speakers the other day. I have no idea what brand these are. They have no branding on them. For all I know, they could have been homemade because the cabinets are really nice looking cabinets. Need a little bit of restoration on them, but the cabinets look great. Speaker's got a crack in it. Let's see if we can fix it. Check out these little speakers I had given to me. I have no idea who makes them. They're obviously a commercial product, as they have serial numbers 68575 and 68574. But I don't see any branding whatsoever. Are they PSB? Are they Paradyne? I don't know what brand these speakers are. These aren't foam. These are like a rubber suspension. You can see this one's got a crack in it. So I think we're going to have to take this one apart and try to repair it. And then we'll try it out. I'll use some of that speaker repair cement to repair it. But I'm going to pull the driver out on this one and see if we can figure out who made these speakers. I'll try and fix this up, and we'll see how these sound. But I'm real curious. These are solid cabinets. And as you can see, there's no speaker grill or anything. There never has been. These are like a solid, I guess these are an oak cabinet, but cabinets are beautiful. I mean, they need a bit of work on them because they're kind of scratched up a bit. But hey, that's how I got them, right? They were free. And they have a few scratches on them. I don't know how I'm going to get this speaker out. It should pop out of here unless it's glued in. Oh, there it is. It's going to lift out. I want to see what brand it is. And of course it's not branded. Interesting. Lots of insulation in this box. So there's a crossover down in the back here. But I want to try to repair this speaker, so I'm going to remove it from the box so that I can get some cement on here, and I can probably get some on the back side. Oh, is there a name on here? Well, it's a Woofer 525GH, 4 ohms. That doesn't tell me who made it. Anyway, let's fix this woofer up. I'm going to use my speaker service cement just to fill this crack in the speaker, because otherwise that's going to buzz, right? That's going to vibrate and buzz, but it looks like everything else looks to be okay on the speaker. Just that one little crack there, so hopefully I can fill that crack up, and these speakers will actually sound okay. So I'll get my glue. We're just going to try and just dab a bit on here just to fill the crack, and I'm going to put some on the back side too, so that there's no place for any vibration for it to buzz. But let's let this dry. While this stuff is drying, I'm going to we'll take a look at I'll take out the crossover. We'll take a look at the crossover, see if we can get any indication as to where these speakers came from. Remove the screws from the crossover. These are, you can tell that they were a fairly good speaker. They will accept both a standard amplifier as well as bi-amplification, so that's where you have a separate amplifier for the bass and the treble. So there's these jumpers that can be removed to operate them in bi-amp mode. But be curious as to what company made these speakers. I'm thinking it's probably one of the Canadian companies, probably PSB but again, HPC 53, HPC 54. They really don't say this is the woofer side, and this one's the tweeter. Looks that way. Yeah, that's the tweeter. Does the tweeter have any branding on it? Let's just take a look in the back here. The tweeter is a Peerless. It's got a Peerless tweeter. I have no idea who made that woofer, but for all I know, these could have been homemade speakers. It's very possible. I thought they were. It's actually just looks like an ear. It's not solid. This is a particle board here. It looks like so. But these, I don't know, they could have been homemade for all I know. But certainly they are serialized as far as the crossovers go. So I think they were a commercial speaker of some brand. If someone knows, if someone recognizes these and can tell us who made these speakers. I know a friend gave them to me, and he got them from another friend, a mutual friend, a guy that I've known for years too, who was a sales reptile at A&B Sound in Vancouver when they were around. So this would have been a brand that they carried. But as to what actual brand they are, that I don't know. They're heavy, and I'm anxious to try them out to see how they sound, which we're going to do as soon as this glue sets up. But they are a bass reflex, a ported bass reflex type speaker. So I would imagine that they are probably going to sound not too bad. They certainly look nicer than some of the other speakers that I've got, which are all in black and they tend to look kind of cheap. So what I've got hooked up is I've got a small amplifier. This has a built-in MP3 player. Very nice little unit. Great for a small setup like this. Just amplifier, 50 watts per channel. It'll read off of a USB stick or micro SD or an auxiliary input. This does not have Bluetooth, but the nice thing about this is you can load all your music on an SD card or a USB stick, plug it in, and then you can control it, remote control, as well as you can set it up for random playback. So who needs a CD player? One of these and a pair of speakers, it actually doesn't sound too bad at all. Not bad. They go pretty loud. So these speakers, even though I did put some speaker cement on here, I can hear it buzzing. I guess it hasn't sealed up, or I didn't let it sit long enough. It's getting tacky, so maybe I'll have to let these sit a little longer before I pound on them. But I can hear that speaker buzzing away there. So I put a little more cement on here. We'll let these speakers set up for a while. They might be okay. They don't sound bad for a small speaker. They actually have pretty good sound, pretty tight sound. Fairly good imaging.
sound damn good, these speakers. For a small speaker, very impressive. My ears are ringing. That's loud. And I don't hear the buzz anymore. I went and stuck some more of that adhesive on and actually stuffed the brush right into the crack there and made sure that I got good contact on both sides of the rubber, and it seems to be holding up now. I don't hear the buzz I was hearing anymore. That track, by the way, is called Smoke and Swing by Music Bakery. It is royalty-free content. If you like that type of stuff, go to musicbakery.com. They sell all kinds of royalty-free music, and this isn't just a plug for them. I use their music exclusively. Okay, that about does it for this. I just wanted to show you these little speakers that got given to me, and yeah, that's sounding too bad. Let the cement dry up a bit more on here, and hopefully we won't hear any more rattling on these ones. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.